Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing, and today I'm sharing the Hero Arts My Monthly Hero Kit with you and some amazing add-ons. So 2 big red rubber stamp background stamps. Look at these. Amazing foliage. I just love this one. You could color it. And then 2 really nice dies. And these are, let me find the name of it for you. I've got it right here. So these are called Jungle Bold Prints and Leafy Bold Prints, Leaves and Vines die, and Jungle Frame Fancy die. So I don't see which one is necessarily, oh there it is. Jungle Frame Fancy die is that one. And that one is the Leaves and Vines Fancy die. And then this stamp is Leafy Bold Prints. And this one is Jungle Bold Prints. I think Jungle Bold Prints is my favorite. I like that one. So fun add-ons. And then this is the actual kit itself. So let's take a peek. We'll just do a quick unwrap of it. Every month they wrap it in gorgeous tissue paper, which I would use for Happy Mail or art journaling or something. I wouldn't throw it out. And then, ooh, look at this. So this month includes a Hero Arts Intensified Black Ink Pad and the Daniel Smith Extra Fine Watercolor Palette in the Hero Arts Jungle Palette. So if you're familiar with watercolors, I'm not very familiar with watercolors, but I know that these are very nice watercolors and that people like to have these. So see, there's dots of color and you just use them right off of there. Really neat. And look at this stencil. Oh, super fun. So those are great. And then let's check out the stamps. There's always beautiful ribbon. Oh my gosh, it is definitely jungle. The dies are, the hardest part of this is getting it all open. They do such a lovely job packaging it. I'm going to get the stamps out so you can see them and the dies, if I can. Oh, there's adhesive on there. There we go. Okay, so the kit includes the 6x8 clear stamp set, the coordinating dies, the fancy jungle vine dies, and the 6x6 leaf pattern stencil that we saw, the watercolor card, and the black ink. So see right here, you can see these large dies, and then there's the dies to cut out all the animals. If you look, you can see the elephant and the turtle. Okay, I'm going to try this on the green. There we go. Look at all the critters. Look, the flamingo. Would that be a toucan? I don't know. Happy birthday. Hello, friend. You're my paradise. You amaze me. I have a stamp that I got like in a Dollar Tree set, I think, or something that says that. I use it a lot. Let the adventure begin. Oh my gosh. I love the tiger. Sending a jungle of joy. Oh, that's really fun. And joy is a super popular word, so that is great. Lots of really nice foliage. Oh, stay wild. I think this would be really fun. Love the elephant too. Look at that. Very fun. And the little monkey. Okay, that's it. If you like kits, be sure and check out a brand that interests you like Hero Arts. Many of the companies have them, and there are some that are not stamps and dies so much, but maybe like a craft kit. If you're into quilting or sewing, there's one for you. Whatever you want a kit of, just go out there and Google it. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.